Hello and welcome to Computology Academy. So today we are going to discuss the question which was published today in the morning time on our Telegram channel, on our Instagram channel, on our Facebook page. All those communication methods are used to provide the questions to our students and other aspirants. So here today we are going to discuss about the Indian Space Association. The question which was given was related to science and tech paper for the UPSC third paper as well as for the JPSC fourth GS paper. So here if we see the question, it is what is Indian Space Association? So it is the straightforward question. The first part is straightforward question, and anybody who is preparing for the civil services exams and other competitive exams should be aware about the current affairs issues. And recently this Indian Space Association has been launched by our Prime Minister PM Narendra Modi on 75th year of India's independence, and it is a great initiative. So here the first part of the question will have the less weightage, as the second part of the question says that how does it will change the commercial space exploration. So how does the overall scenario of the commercial space exploration will change over time if we pull in the private sector also. So here basically it relates to the private sector who are willing to come in the space exploration domain within India, and it will be a very fruitful initiative if it will be implemented in letter and spirit. So here 30% of the weightage for the answer will be for the first part, that is what is the Indian Space Association, and the rest of the 70% weightage will be for how does it will change the commercial space exploration scenario within India. So let us see here what should be our introduction in the answer. First of all, in the introduction we will dealt with the first part of the question. Here no need to write an introduction which is completely different. If there is a single part of question, like we would have seen that how does the Indian Space Association will change the scenario of overall commercial space exploration within India, then we should have written this part also in the introduction, as the main body would have focused on the question itself. But here in the question the introductory part has also been asked, so we should go on to write about that part of the question in introduction itself. So here the Indian Space Association ISPA was launched on 11th of October 2021 by PM Narendra Modi, and here he had said that it is a great initiative and it will enhance the overall scenario of Indian space research environment within India, as it will pull in the different stakeholders and it will be a gift to the talented India's entrepreneurs in the field of space research. Those entrepreneurs who are still having a contract based relationship with ISRO, like many of the private companies are providing equipments and other things to the ISRO, but now they can enhance their domain, they can go on to trace their talent, their enthusiasm, their intellect and use them in other domains of the space research also. So this will be a great gift to the talented entrepreneurs as well as to the nation as a whole. Thereafter it will be a collective voice. So the association will also be acting as a collective voice to propose the changes in the policies of the government with respect to the space research, as well as they act as a think tank for the Indian government to advocate different kinds of initiatives that would improve the overall scenario of Indian space research. And it will be headed by Lieutenant General A.K. Bhatt, the Director General of this Indian Space Association will be General A.K. Bhatt. So he is a person who was earlier related to the government of India in the DRDO. Now he will be heading the Indian Space Research. And in the body part, there will be two heads. First part will be significance. How it will be significant in the scenario of Indian space research. So the policy advocacy and collective effort will be one thing. Here what will happen? Collectively the entrepreneurs, different entrepreneurs who are part of this Indian Space Association will advocate different kind of initiatives, different kind of changes, different kind of investment measures and other things to the government of India, and they will also make collective effort to gain different things, to invent different things, and it will improve the overall scenario of Indian space research. And it is a $1 million industry. All of us know that there are few space research organizations who are capable of launching different type of satellites, and in that scenario also ISRO is the space research organization which provides the least costlier launch facility, launch service to different countries. And if we pull in the private sector also, then there will be competitiveness among different organizations, and again it will reduce the cost of launching different satellites further, and this will help the Indian economy to generate more forex through the use of these technologies and providing the services of space launch to different nations. Thereafter, collaborative research facilities can be developed here. Different entrepreneurs, if they are not able to have the research facilities, launch facilities and other things separately, then they will collectively make the effort to get these things, develop these things, and this will improve the overall work environment in the Indian space research field in India, and they will harness the talent and the resources of the private sector. So the government of India will be in a position to harness the talent, the manpower, as well as the resources, whether technological resources, whether equipment resources, whether manpower resources. All those things will be harnessed by the government of India. Even now the ISRO may be in a position to outsource more and more things, more and more services to the private sector, and this will help out even ISRO to allocate its resources in more critical things, more required works, so that it will also be in a better position to do more research and achieve more things, and it will ease the workload of ISRO. Many of the things which are being done by the ISRO is not necessary to be done by the ISRO itself only. Like if the commercial activities will be separated from ISRO, then it will be in a better position to provide the welfare services, more and more welfare services to Indian citizens, like the weather forecasting satellites, like the resource mapping satellites, like the defense related satellites, communication related satellites. Now the communication related satellites are also being launched by the private sector in many countries, as well as even the Airtel Wave 1 by Airtel is being set up, so that now even the communication satellites is not needed to be launched by the ISRO itself. SpaceX of Elon Musk is also providing the internet services. There are different organizations in the private sector who are in this sector, who are trying to provide direct satellite internet connection, which will improve the reach as well as the speed of the internet services within India as well as throughout the world. So here it will ease the workload on ISRO, and thereafter ISRO will be in a better position to provide the defense and other critical services to the government of India as well as the citizens of India. Now, what is the aim of ISPA? So ISPA is an effort to supplement the efforts of government agencies. Like till now, even the communication satellites, the entertainment related work like the satellite TV services, all those things was done by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. So such kind of things which can be commercially utilized and on which there can be profit and on which the profit can be generated on that. So such kind of services can be provided by the commercial space agencies or entrepreneurs. So this will supplement the efforts of government to provide different kind of services. Thereafter, commercial space exploration. Many of the organizations like Richard Branson's Virgin, Blue Origin of Jeff Bezos, SpaceX, all these organizations are trying to explore the space. They are trying to start the space tourism. So such kind of commercial space explorations can be done by the entrepreneurs, and this will again generate a huge amount of forex as well as bring various economic activities within India itself, and it will also improve the overall investment in research and development in the space field. Different types of technologies may be developed which would not have been developed by the government agencies, because they have to focus on other different aspects also. They have to provide various welfare services also, and because of this they have to invest on those work, and those work can be provided by the government, while the rest of the commercial activities on which the government is not being able or the government agencies are not being able to invest, those will be getting the investment from the private sector and the entrepreneurs. And there will be import of critical technologies like the SpaceX is having the vertical lift and vertical landing technology. If SpaceX and Elon Musk becomes the part of ISPA and he is willing to provide that technology or to get involved in the Indian space research sector, then he may provide such kind of critical technologies to the Indian entrepreneurs also with whom they might be collaborating. So such kind of critical technologies will also be available in the space research field within India, and it will improve the overall space research scenario within India. So such kind of points would be mentioned over there, and the discussion would be in elaborate manner for the JPSC paper, while it can be in the concise manner for the UPSC paper, because in the UPSC the word limit is less than JPSC. Even around it is half of the words that the word limit is in the JPSC examination. And in the conclusion part, what we would write, we will be discussing about how it will prove a boon for the space exploration activities within India. So different entrepreneurs will be there. They will be trying to explore new technologies, new methods, new equipment. So this will prove to be a boon for the Indian space exploration environment. It will earn the forex if the private entrepreneurs provide the competitive price rate for the launch of different satellites. Then many of the foreign countries will be in position to outsource their services to the Indian entrepreneurs, and that will earn the forex for India, and it will change the overall environment of the space research within India. The entrepreneurs, to be competitive in the market, will be exploring new technologies, will be trying to develop new technologies, and they will also exploring the new avenues through which the new activities in the space can be done, and because of which the overall space research environment in India will develop, will expand. So all this will be the fruitful outcomes of ISPA, and if is given the proper recognition and proper support, then definitely it will prove to be a great initiative for the overall space research scenario within India. So this would be the track of the answer. And for the questions which are being published on the different social media channels of our institute, you should follow those channels. This is the link for the Facebook and the Instagram. This is our Telegram channel link, and the links are provided in the description below also. For different courses, you may visit our website, and do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get such kind of informative videos and the discussions on the different questions which we are publishing on our different channels. Thank you very much and have a nice day.